Shiner's Floor Cleaner. Concentrated liquid. Makes up to 128 gallons. Dilute as directed, depending on what type of cleaning you're doing. For standard cleaning, you mix 1 ounce of cleaner with 1 gallon of water. For heavy cleaning, you use 4 ounces per gallon. Depending on the strength you make it, it can do up to 128 gallons of cleaner, so you'll never run out. Although it's sold as a floor cleaner, it's a multi-purpose cleaner. You can do all kinds of surfaces. It's a neutral pH and has a fresh lavender scent.